Hello kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Violet color, blue color, brown color, sky blue color, yellow color, light pink color, light green color, dark green color, black color, red color, peacock green color, orange color. This is purple color. Let's draw the shape. Circle. Rectangle. Star. Hexagon. Parallelogram. Right triangle. Light green color. Circle. Circle. Light green color. Pink color. Rectangle. 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 Pink color. Orange color. Star. 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 Orange color. Brown color. Hexagon. 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 Brown color. Sky blue color. Parallelogram. 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 Sky blue color. Light grey color. Right triangle. Right triangle. Right triangle. Light grey color. Light green color. Pink color. Orange color. Brown color. Sky blue color. Light grey color. Circle, rectangle, star, hexagon, parallelogram, right triangle. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.